Guys, we made it. We're in California Adventure, and this area is where Oswald lives. That's right, Oswald. A dedicated area for when the year that Oswald was born. That's so cool. You can see over there, that's where you'll never see Mickey in this area.
Yeah, I know. I have like 100 islands.
All right, let's see what type of adventures and goofiness and maybe even some shopping. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Keep watching. Let's get on. Her to Carousel. Maybe Elise is up there. She loves carousels. Maybe she's in there. Let's go find out.
Howdy, partners! This is Jessie's Center Carousel.
What? What? I don't believe you.
How are you?
You're what? What are you? I still don't believe it. There's Woody. There's Jessie. I see everybody, but I don't see Lee. Where's Lee? I don't see Lee.
Please face forward at all times.
Okay.
All right.
Prospector's father think he's always dreamed of.
There's Woody.
Nugget bigger than you. Stranded on the rocky tower.
Still haven't found Lee's.
Jessie said he's okay. She throws him over and throws him off that rocking tower. Jessie always saves the day.